This time it's going to be of the Black & Decker GKC3630L 36 volts cordless chainsaw, 300mm. That's it there. Let's open it. I'm hoping that you see it. It's just unbox, charge it up and go. Again, what they've done for safety is they've put a tie wrap around the handle so you can't actually turn it on. But for safety's sake, I'll read the instructions anyway. I'm going to take the battery off. Battery's on this side, I'm not going to hurt myself there. So you've got the batteries there. Just press that. Looks like there's one green light on there. So I'll put that on charge. So I'll just press that down there. That slides out. Battery's out. I'm going to cut the tie wrap on the handle. Now this cover here covers the mechanism for the chain. You need to undo that, which will undo it completely, which will take this cover off, and then you can replace the chain, things like that. But also what you can do is, once that's loose, you can actually adjust the tension of the chain with the orange one there by turning it left or right on there. But what you should have is 3mm of slack on the top. Probably a little bit more than 3mm of slack. So what I'll do is I'll just adjust the chain a little bit. Just undo that. A bit tighter now, about 3mm, and then I'll do that one up. Yeah, that's perfect. It seems like you need to use proper oil for electric chainsaws in there. Black & Decker do them. It's very expensive. I've looked online for alternative ones, and Tool Station do one for $3.99, so I might just use that. So I might just do that. So I can't do anything with this today. This will give me a good chance to charge this one up fully, and then perhaps tomorrow when I get the oil, we'll use it for cutting. Right, it's the next day. Batteries all charged up. Should have 3 lights on the battery. I bought not the Black & Decker oil, but I bought chainsaw oil, so it should be exactly what it says on the tin. Good enough for this. It's only £3.90 something from Tool Station. So I'm going to fill that up now. There's a filter goes at the bottom of there. So what I'm going to do is just pierce a couple of holes in here. And there. You see it come up? I'm sure that's fine. That's on there. And there. Fit the battery. Ready to go. Right, we're going to use this one for the very first time now. Got oil in it, got a fresh battery. Take that one off there. It's a sheet. So I'm just going to start it up. I'm going to take that chunk of tree down there because we want to clear it a little bit so it doesn't impede on the shed when it comes back. So we're just going to start it up. Seems very slow. Let's just see how this works.